Hey there, welcome back to Kitchen Faucet channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple trick to boost your faucet's water pressure. And the best part? No plumber needed. Let's start by checking this out. See the weak stream? That's usually caused by something super common. This little part right here, the aerator. The aerator is a small mesh screen at the end of your faucet. It's designed to catch debris, especially if you've got older pipes or galvanized plumbing. Over time, this screen can get clogged up with gunk, which reduces your water pressure even if it looks like water is still flowing fine. So here's what you do. Unscrew the aerator. You might need pliers, but wrap them in a cloth to avoid scratching the metal. Now take it apart carefully. Inside you'll find a mesh screen and often a rubber flow restrictor. That's the little black ring. Both of these can cause low flow when they're clogged. I removed the outer washer and gently pushed out the inside parts using a pin. This black ring? That's the restrictor. It's optional to remove, but taking it out usually boosts your pressure. Now put everything back in the same order. Make sure the washers and screens are seated properly. This helps prevent leaks. Screw the aerator back onto the faucet. Start with hand tightening, test it, then give it a gentle snug with pliers if needed. Now check it out. Cold water pressure? Way stronger. Hot water? Same boost. Both flows are now full and balanced. All thanks to a simple clean and optional restrictor removal. So remember, if your faucet pressure feels low, the aerator is usually the culprit. Clean it, or remove that restrictor, and you're good to go quick, easy, and free. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home hacks. See you in the next one.